I always wanted to combine the GoPro with DJI FPV, but all I had is a GoPro 7, so I didn't think it will make any nice difference in image quality. But now that I have this GoPro Hero 10, I am definitely getting it on top of this DJI FPV. As I was watching videos about that, I found that the best way to do this is by mounting the GoPro on the printed GoPro mount. I ordered one myself. I will put a link down below, but it hasn't arrived yet. It looks like this. But as I am too curious to see how the footage will look, I'm going to risk it and put it on this adhesive helmet mount. So I think I will have to put it somewhere here. I don't know, actually it's not aligning perfectly, but I'm really curious. So I'm getting my wet sheets, cleaning it thoroughly, so that adhesive will be holding the GoPro firmly. Maybe it's even time now to clean the drone itself a little bit more. Just like that, so that it's more pleasing to look at. Alright, now I'll get this plate, unpeel it, and I'm going to attach it somewhere on top. So if the drone flies like this, the center point is here somewhere, I hope. Okay. Well, I don't know, it doesn't look very firm. But I hope for the first time I will fly carefully and the GoPro won't fall down. Okay, I'm going to try to hold it. Oh, it's scary. Well, okay, so bam! Here it is. As you can see, it's not that... Maybe I've got the wrong mount. So, okay, this one is lower profile, so I hope it will do better. Now I have to set the angle. So let's see. Usually I fly around 15 degrees, so it's pointing up like this, and the GoPro should point higher like that, so that when it flies, it's looking like this, but maybe a bit lower. I'm going to turn it on to see if the props are visible. Well, after I install them. Now I'm setting the maybe SuperView. I have no idea which view I have to set when flying FPV with the GoPro. I think I will experiment with everything. Now this looks really dangerous. So turning on video mode, and let's see if we can see the props in SuperView. Nope, everything is fine. So if the drone flies like this, I have no idea how to use Real Steady. I've heard about that, but I don't even know if it's free or if it's a paid application. So I'm going to use the standard new Hypersmooth 4.0 and we'll see how it goes. Yes, I've lost my diffuser somewhere. The goggles tell me that propeller guards are detected. I don't know why, I'm using just the brackets, so it's much brighter here on top. I hope the image won't be overexposed. So turning it into the manual mode, and let's see how it performs. So flying above the trees already, and if I lose something here in this forest, I think it's lost forever. So I have to be really careful. I'm also going to put these two footages from both cameras together. The footage from the DJI FPV camera and the footage from this GoPro. So I'm getting higher. Let's see what we have here. Very sunny today. Feels much more heavy. I want to do a flip, a power loop. Yes. I hope the GoPro is still on. Ah, I see the shadow. The GoPro is still on the drone. Okay, so let's actually turn around. I don't want to lose the signal. I'm a bit rusty with FPV right now. Haven't flown in a bit. So I hope I won't lose my drone. And I hope I won't crash. Let's fly a bit faster. A little bit faster. Oh, the inertia is very high. Alright, low battery, heading home. I think that this will be it for this first flight. The camera is very heavy and well, it flies okay. I can't compare it with other FPVs. There are a lot of more nimble ones, but this combination is okay, I think. So I think I will be using it more, and I will test it in more different situations as well. Let's land.